Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 7th November 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and displayed notable bearish momentum throughout the session, reflecting a lack of buying appetite and sunk below 25,500 marks. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame with longer upper shadow, which signals pressure at any bounces. It closed near its lower band with losses of around 90 points and continues to form lower highs, lower lows from the last 5 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 2% to 12.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.77. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 26,000 levels, while a major range could be in between 25,200 to 25,700 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,605 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,814 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 14.3%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 25,650, weakness could be seen towards 25,350 levels, while resistances have shifted lower to 25,800 marks. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 57,750, some weakness could be seen towards 57,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 58,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Astral, Asian Paint, Paytm, Indus Tower, Ashok Leyland, Biocon, Dabur, Reliance and M&M. While some weakness could be seen in Delivery, Grasim, Indian Hotel, Voltas, PB Fintech and Power Grid. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.